Hello class 10 children. Now today we will be doing the next topic in digital documentation advanced, that is modifying the styles. Up till now we have learnt about what is a style, then what are the various types of styles, then how to apply the styles. Now today we will be discussing about already a style is applied, now how to modify or update it. Now OpenOffice.org provides several ways to modify a style, both the predefined styles as well as the custom styles that you create. So there are two ways. First is updating a style from a selection, and the second one is load or copy these styles from another document or template. So there are two ways of modifying a style. First we will discuss about updating a style from a selection. Now to update a style from a selection, we need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to open the styles and formatting window. Now this styles and formatting window is located on the left hand end of the object bar, or you will directly go from format, styles and formatting, or just directly you will press F11. Now after opening this window, in the document select an item that has the format you want to adopt as a style. So in your document you will select that item whose styles you want to adopt. Now make sure that there are unique properties in this paragraph. For example, there are two different font sizes. That particular property will remain the same as before. Now you will select that item whose format you want to adopt as a style. Now in this styles and formatting window, you will select the styles that you want to update by single clicking, and then you will click on update style option present next to the new style from selection icon. So these are the steps of how you can update a style from the selection. Again repeating the steps. To update, what you will be doing is, first of all you will be opening the styles and formatting window. Now in the document you have to select that item whose format you want to adopt as a style. Then now in this window, select and formatting window, you will select the styles that you want to update by single clicking, and then you will long click on the arrow next to the new style from selection of icon and click on the option that is update style. So this is how you can update a style from the selection. Now the next one is to modify the styles. You can follow loading styles from a template or a document. Now loading styles from a template or document means you are copying the styles. How you are modifying them? By copying the styles from a template or another document. So to do so, first of all you will open the document you want to copy the styles into. You will open that document in which you want to copy this style. Then again in this styles and formatting window, you will click on the arrow next to new style from selection icon, and here you will click on the option load styles. In update style you clicked on the option update style. Here you will be clicking on the option load style. Now you will get a load styles dialog box. Now in this dialog box, find and select the template that you want to copy the styles from. There are various things here: my templates, drawing, presentation background. So whichever you want to copy, you will click on it. Then you will select the categories of the styles to be copied. Select overwrite if you want the styles being copied to replace any style of the name in the document that you are copying. You want the text to be copied, the frame, the pages or the numbering. And then finally you will click OK to copy the styles. So here you will not see the changes on the screen. You will be able to see the changes in the document itself by opening it. Now a note: to copy the styles from another document, click the File From button to open a window from which you can select the required document. Now if your document has a table of contents and if you have used headings in it, now the headings level associated with that means heading 1, heading 2. So this way your styles will be loaded. So children, in order to copy the styles from a template into the document, what you will be doing, you will be first opening the document in which you want to copy the styles. Then in the styles and formatting window, you will click on load styles option present on the arrow next to new styles from selection icon. Now in this load styles dialog box, you will find the template you want to copy the styles from. You can select any of the templates, plus you can select the various options: pages, numbering, frame, text, etc. Then from file option is given that you want the open a window that you want to do the required document. So this is the way how you can load the styles from the template. So children, today we have studied about modifying the styles. In modifying the styles, there are two things: updating a style from a selection and loading the styles from the selection. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.